Good evening, everyone. This is Option Guru Apex Growth. Um, First of all, thanks everyone, and thanks for all the followers and your feedback and your time. Because of your encouragement and your feedback, I've decided to start a YouTube channel to help you support further with the trading. I know it's a long journey and it needs to be consistent, so I'm here to help. Today in the video, I'm going to show you some of the things that you already been aware of, some of the things that we have been sharing with you with the trading and buying and selling signal on each of these stocks that we trade or options we do. So today I'm going to talk more about it. Today I'm going to share my experience. I'm going to share my screen on what am I looking at on a daily basis. Oh wow! It just say the new signal will come. If you can see on the right side, sorry, the left side, the QQQ has a buy signal came in, and that's exactly how the alerts would come up if you have this particular software. Once you get this theory in your computer, in Thinkorswim, you will get the alert right here in this corner, which tell you which one to buy and what is happening, which particular stock getting the bullish signal or bearish signal. At the same time, you can. I'm looking at one stock right now, but if you have a multiple charts, you're looking at it, similar to like this, then all this would generate a signal right here in this particular corner. But I'm only looking at a SPY right now, just an example to help you, to show you how these things work, what do I have right here, and how can I further support and help. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the theory that I use, and a lot of people have been asking me about what I use, and I'm going to share with you today. Looking at this theory right now, which is called Ichimoku Cloud. Guess what? Wow, signal came in for IWM. Okay, cool. So this is the Ichimoku Cloud theory, along with some moving averages and MKD and TTM and stochastic and RSI and all that. Pretty much what everybody use, but what I'm using right now is the Ichimoku Cloud. It's one of the best theory out there. A lot of traders use this. But the most important thing is to understand this theory and how the theory works. And what we did, we took the theory combined with the codes that we wrote into this system to help you with the signal to buy or sell, because sometimes you may be confused to what do I do here? Should I buy? Should I sell? Which way the market is going? I'm not understanding clearly. So it's also important to know a little bit about this theory, and you can read on not Facebook, but the Google or Investpedia or a lot of other area that already has information about this. This theory has a 5 component that needs to be understood properly in order to use it. If you don't know about this, it's a hard theory to understand, but it also includes some kind of a moving average, 9, 26, 52. Right here, this is 9 days to 26 days moving average. And if you know about this particular theory, it really helps with your trading system. It's one of the Japanese theory since, I think, 1929, even further than that. Not sure exactly, but I really like this, and I've been using this. So I took the theory and the component of this theory, which is this, and this two, into a code, which code we have created, which is going to help us understand how the theory work and what do we need to do. These codes going to help us understand buying and selling signal. And this is what you're looking at right here. Boom, boom, 1, 2. And any stock you pick from today or tomorrow or whatever happened yesterday, or any stock that you have in mind, this will give you the right signal based on the theory. Now, it's a computer system. Nothing is 100% accurate. You need to watch and looking at this all the time because you can prevent some of the stuff. As I can see here, the signal came in the morning, stock went up, which is SPY right here, boom, boom, all-time high, and guess what, boom, down here. Well, down signal never came. You might be saying, why it's all red and down signal never came? Because the theory is not aligned yet, and boom, it jumped from right here, and it's now moving up. Actually jumped from right here, 26 moving average for Ichimoku Cloud, and it's boom, jumping, and now it's making all the way to all-time high. So you need to looking at this area all the time when you trade, because this is going to help you being consistent with trading. And I know most of new traders, or a lot of people even till they've been trading for quite a bit of time and never really get success in it, or not being successful on a consistent basis. Do okay, small loss, small profit, even bigger loss or bigger profit. But this will build the consistency for you, and this will help you understand how the trading works, what you need to looking at when you are trading. That's why this signal we have generated automatically. This is not a signal arrow that I just put it in here, because this time is live 2045, which is 8:51, 8:45, where the last signal came in, and I've been talking to you for the last couple minutes, so it's not the signal that I created. It's automatic. And to show you, let me put the ES. Boom. So ES, it's moving right here. This is one of the area right here. Signal came in. It's moving in the right direction. Let's looking at the NQ real quick. Boom. Signal. And since NQ is live, its SPY is a little bit different because it's closed at some time. That's why you don't see the signal in NQ. But the SPY closed for a little bit and then reopened. So theory is different. But in here, NQ is live. It's only closed for an hour or something, I guess. But let's go back to our SPY now. Boom. What is that? SPY has a bullish signal. And this signal can work on any time frame, 20 day, 1 hour. Boom. Again, I know the signal came in and this went down. As I said, you need to look into this market and know a little bit about the theory, so that you will not lose in this particular business. But if you got into here, and by the time it's here, you are well into profit. I would say more than 50-60% to get out, or even more than that. So you don't really have to worry about it. You don't have it's option. When you get the money on your side and if it's with good profit, I would suggest you take it. But even though a signal came in and this went down, again, it's the stock. It could do anything it want. But again, it's not a bearish move. It touched right here and boom, it bounced and it's now back here. Now it closed below this area or this line, this pink one, then I would start worried about it, or maybe I trim my position or close my position if any position I've opened is long time or long term. It just all depend on it. All right, let's look at some of the other stock that moved today. Oh, boom, everyone's favorite, Tesla, right here. Now, this signal came at 7 a.m. and the date is 12/30/2020, and today is 2021. And when the signal came in, the stock price was $6.69, and today is $7.74. Now, I don't have to tell you, if you had bought options for $7.20, $7.30, how much money you would have made by now. So you already know that. And another signal came in, boom, right here, and look what happened to the stock. So this signal comes automatically, as you saw on the left side. When it's ready, it will give the signal that is a bullish or bearish signal in a particular stock that you have added on your watch list, so that you know which one is coming at it. 1 second. Apologize, in a little bit of water. I'm not a professional YouTuber or recorder, so I'll be making some mistake. As long as we make profit and I can help you making money, that's all we care. And let's get started. So this particular software, I already explained you what I use, which theory I use, and I'm going to sell this software to you, or help you in the future when I start my own service to help you with it. If you know the theory, this really help you to make consistent profit. But one thing that you will not have is this, which we have created right here. Boom. This is all comes automatically when the stock is moving in the right direction and aligned with all the categories. It will give you the perfect signal to buy. And again, when you want to close it, it goes below this line. Then I will start worried about it and close the position. Now let's look at some of the stock. We've been looking at stock that are really bullish. Now let's look at the Amazon. Last few weeks been interesting with the Amazon. We had a great run in the Amazon, and then boom, it's really a bearish moment and bearish move. So it's different time frame for the Amazon. So this particular one would come up in any time frame. You really don't have to worry about time frame. This would come up in 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever time frame you use. This would come up. Boom! And 4 hour bearish signal, and see what happened to stock. This came at 3227 and the stock is 3131 today, the lowest. So you know how much money you could make in Amazon when this kind of signal comes in. So you can play with the time frame right here if you have it in your computer. 15 minutes right here. Perfect one right here. See what's happened to the stock. Then this came up when most of the people were really comfortable going into the Amazon call for 3350 or above. This is where it all started, and boom, the very next day the signal came in when the price was 3328. And guess what? Right here, imagine if you have this software in your computer, how much money you could make in Amazon. Now you might be thinking, why I never traded Amazon? I have other things that I need to do. I'm not a full-time trader. I'm going to be very soon, so I can do what I can do during the day to help you. But when I come home and looking at this stocks and signal, this helped me to see, oh my God, I should have looked into this particular one. But long story short, if you have this in your computer, you will not have to worry about looking at the levels in the morning or see what's happening. Of course, you want to see the moving average and the overall trend in the market, not really trust everything blindly, because nothing is guaranteed. Nobody, not even Warren Buffett or anybody, knows what's going to happen in the stock market tomorrow. But at least you will have some level of certainty and some level of consistency when it's come to the trading, because it's not an easy one. It's really a tough job, and having the right tools and resources is important in the trading, so that you don't lose money and you make some money. But if you play, and this is Amazon expensive stock for a lot of people. I know it's not easy one to get in. Let's take a look at Neo, everyone's favorite. It's been moving up nicely. Boom. Well, and this is a 15 minute. I'm going to change this to 4 hour. Let's just do 20 to 1 hour. Oh, sorry, that's the daily. 20 to 1 hour. Signal came right here, right here, right here. This also came right here. Boom, 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 boom. Let's look at the 4 hour. Wow, one right here when the stock was 48 and it was 52. So this is the automatic thing. It will come when the time's right or when the theory get aligned, because with any fake move in the market, sometimes you just have a down market, like what happened today. Uncertainty, nobody expected that to happen today at the closing, but it did happen. But that will mess up the average. It will take a few days to settle, but you are looking at plenty of stock to see which one has the right signal to buy in or buy calls or buy put. Right here, this is the down signal came in, and see what happened to stock. 38, boom. And then ever since it started going up. You don't have to worry about or need nobody's guidance, no, not my tweet, to go into trade if you have this software. Really easy to upload. You go right here if you have one. If you have the file, you go right here. You go to strategies, and then you go to import whatever you have in your computer. Boom, right here. This particular file you upload, apply, and OK, and this will be in your computer if you have the Thinkorswim. This only work in Thinkorswim software. I've not tried or used any other to see how does it work, but perfectly work and perfectly fine in Thinkorswim. Oh wow, my favorite one today, JPM. Now, boom, the signal was there yesterday, but the stock at 124.35. And guess what? It's 132 today. Boom, oh my goodness. Another one right here. Wow. We've been missing some big move here, huh? Well, as I said, I can't focus on these things on a daily basis. I do the best I can when I have a time, and sooner we'll be doing this full time so that I can help others. And this software is almost ready. The testing is done. It's almost ready to sell, but before I do that, I want to show the video, include the video for all of you to show you how does this things work, and some clarity around it. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, and if you have a question, you can feel free to DM me on a Twitter, Option Guru Apex Growth, or also you are my Telegram channel, so you can also start a private chat if you have any questions that you want to ask me. But this is Option Guru Apex Growth signing off for the day. Thank you, everyone. Great night.